just too tall. Ngayon, 5 na ang abante ng Cagayan Valley. 15-10. Gwyneth Eulalio, the former FEU center. Na-enroll pa rin sa FEU. Di lang ang naglalaro sa varsity. Maraming ganyan dyan. Like Rosemary Vargas, actually, I believe, is only on her 3rd year. She's no longer with the varsity.
Tama. 3rd year pa lang yan.
Right. And the Pantino getting it across. Aiza Maizo. Coverage is there. Pantino keeping it alive, and Dre has to give it up. Soraya ngayon, going back to Aiza. Alam niya, gutay-gutay pa ang depensa ng Air Force. Tinira na niya. And now a 6-point lead for Cagayan Valley against the Philippine Air Force.
Ako si Iyari Yongko ng Philippine Air Force at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Season 10 Open Conference.
Patuloy po ang paghatid namin sa inyo ng mainit na volleyball action dito po sa GMA News TV as we are in the quarterfinal round of the Shakey's V-League. Single round po itong ating proseso at ito yung unang pagtatagpo sa quarterfinals. Of course, the only time na magkikita sa quarterfinals itong dalawang kupunan na ito, Air Force and Cagayan Valley, as Air Force is able to score courtesy of Lisa De Ramos. Once again, Noel Zarate po kasama si Michelle Gumabaw at ito pong si Miyaka Lim.
Every game, do or die. Kaya naman walang bumibitaw dito sa dalawang kapunan na naglalaro ngayon.
And there's Lisa De Ramos with back-to-back points. And again, because of the carryover system, every match counts, especially those na nasa ilalim. If I'm not mistaken, taga Baguio ito eh.
Yes, nakalaban ko yan. Alam mo, every year kami pupunta ng Baguio, Noel. And
right.
Isa yan sa mga top scorers ng team nila.
Wow. Here is Aiza Maizo, one of the top scorers in the history of the league siguro. Pero napalakas yung kanyang tira. So ito na naman yung mga errors ng Cagayan Valley. Nakakahabol na. Earlier it was a 6-point lead. Now it's just a 3-point lead.
Kalahati na kaagad because of all the errors in terms of reception, spiking.
Pantino na. A good reception there from Sheila Pineda. Aiza Maizo tries to turn something out of nothing. Nakaabang naman si Wendy Semana. Ngayon, 2 na lang ang abante ng Cagayan Valley. Pantino, Jonella, Soraya, quick set, Paul Soriano, blocked there by Lisa De Ramos. Si Lisa De Ramos, sunod-sunod na ang puntos dito sa 3rd set, ha?
Kaya naman, Noel, ikaw ang captain ball ng Philippine Air Force. Kung kailan kailangan siya ng team, she's always there to step up.
And the ironic thing is, Lisa De Ramos, along with Wendy Semana and Joy Cases, who are in front, used to play for Cagayan Valley. That's the irony of it all, ha? Maizo, Pantino cannot save it.
Nabitin ang steps doon ng mga nasa likod back row defense ng Philippine Air Force. Hindi umabot.
Right. 17-15. Dalawang abante rito ng Rising Suns. Captain Tabaquero. Abanto. Di makulangan on the back set kayo papunta rito. And Semana's shot is turned back at the net. Sheila Pineda on the scene.
Basang-basa na Cagayan Valley ang palo ni Wendy Semana. Hindi siya masyado nakakalusot ngayon. Araw na ito.
Maganda yung matchup na yun. Dalawang mataas lumundag. Pineda versus Semana. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tabaquero barely gets that across. Cases. Kept alive there by Paul Soriano. Soraya now going over to Aiza Maizo. Binalik ni Lisa De Ramos. Aiza Maizo this time trying to use power. Semana. Masyado malapit at hindi na maabutan niya ni Joy Cases.
Dito sa team ng Cagayan Valley, lumalabang pa rin naman sila, Noel. Nagkakaroon lang ng oras na parang tinatamad ulit.
Right.
Tapos lalamang ulit, papahubol nila ulit. Parang roller coaster yung laro natin ngayon eh.
Well, I think it might even be a blessing in disguise because now everybody can step up, such as Paul Soriano.
Diretso ang palo mo ng spiker mo.
D-Mac now going to Cases. Off the block, Jonella cannot save. So baba ulit sa 4. Substitutions, dalawa rito. Gina Andaya seeing her first action. Player from Letran College. Coming in as a serve specialist, and Rhea Di Maculangan will be replaced. So Andaya will do the setting at magsaserve muna siya rito.
Kailangan ng full front line. Ito ang Philippine Air Force
That's
para
right.
makahabol ng 4 na puntos sa third set.
Here's Soraya now. Andaya. Manzano sending it across. Papunta rito kay Cases. Sarado ang pintuan galing kay Aiza Maizo. Joy Benito returns. She Saet returns. 21-16. So Saet, ito na naman yung kargadong serve na ibibigay ng former Lasal captain.
Parehong coach, nagbibitiw na ngayon ng mga pambato nila sa harapan.
Right. Joy Benito joins the Adamson duo of Pineda and Soriano in front. Pineda sends it back. And Jonella with a great dig. Pineda. Here's Andaya ngayon, sending it across. Joy Cases, another dig from Pineda. Joy Benito. And there's Pantino keeping it alive. And that's a miss coming from Joy Cases. 22-16. Grabe reflexes dito si Jonella. Was awarded Athlete of the Year nung gumraduate siya from Perpetual. Isipin mo, ang lakas ng basketball team nila. Siya nakakuha ng Athlete of the Year award when she graduated. That's a testament to what she has done. Of course, Perpetual Help University was able to capture their second NCAA title back-to-back.
Oh.
Kasama niyan si service error there against Lisa De Ramos. Kasama si Jack Jonella, Royce
Men's
Tubino.
volleyball team ng Perpetual
Yes.
Help. Alam ko, may championship din yan.
Yes.
Of course, under Coach Sammy Alcala.
Kay Kailar, yes. There's Pao Soriano. Of course, naman yung lineup naman ng Perpetual. Of course, you have Sandra De Los Santos, Royce Tubino, Arian Argarin. It's a very solid lineup para sa Perpetual. Sabi ni Chisay, kailangan ko ng tulong nyo. Cases now will serve. 5 ang kabante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Twilight of the the third set rather. Cases. Jonella. Saet. Yulalio. Binuhay pa rin ni Pao Soriano pero nakaharang naman si rather ni Tabakero. Nakaharang naman ito si Pineda. Nakita lang ng number 2. Kala ko si Pao Soriano na. Yan yung 1-2 punch ng Adamson. 1 Pineda, 2 Soriano. Pero this time it's 1 Pineda, 2 Tabakero. 23-19. Cases on the serve. Tabakero, Saet, back set, Joy Benito, cross court. Manzano now, going over to Pantino. Combination play, Sheila Pineda, turned back there by Mike Ortiz, kept alive by Jack Jonella. Free ball from Tabakero. Andaya now, down the middle for Jen Manzano. Benito out of position to lead si Pineda. Andaya ngayon, nakaluhod, running attack. Micah Ortiz will miss. Now 5 set points for Cagayan Valley. And look at who's up to serve. Sheila Pineda, who had 2 aces earlier. Nabalik ni Jen Manzano. Here's Angge. Off the block, Abanto. Andaya, going to Pantino, cross court. Angge, tatapusin na ba? Sabi ni Abanto, bubuhayin ko pa. And look at the swipe attempt there coming from Jen Manzano. And it works. Now Manzano no longer in front. Siya magsaserve dito. Still 4 set points ang pamamayari nitong Cagayan Valley. Pineda. Saet, too near the net for Joy Benito. And Pantino sends it long. So a hitting error against the Philippine Air Force will reward this third set. Papunta sa Cagayan Valley. Lamang na po Cagayan Valley. 2-1 dito po sa ating laban. 25-20 po ang naging final score sa ating pong third set. Titignan po natin ang ating shake and play. Daming pagpipilian pero si Aiza Maizo talaga na naging bida doon sa ating third set.